I have an update.
Girl who I made a video about yesterday, who was taken yesterday morning, is back with her family today. She was detained by ICE. She was dropped off this morning in Chandler. She used a woman's phone to call her mom. Her mom came, picked her up. She was bleeding. She went to the ER, was fine, and is now at home. If the family shares more information with me that they want shared, I will pass that along. But this is what I have right now. Next question, is it legal? Yes, it is legal. ICE is allowed to legally detain you to determine your citizenship. There was a lawsuit out of Los Angeles, and a judge ruled no, you, ICE, cannot stop people solely based on race or using race to stop people. And the Supreme Court in September temporarily overruled that ruling. So the Supreme Court did not say it is okay for you, ICE, to pull people over simply because they are not white and ask them about their citizenship and detain them until you find out what their citizenship is. That's not what the Supreme Court said, but the Supreme Court did say the injunction, which means the stop what you're doing order from Los Angeles, is not in effect. So it is legal for ICE to detain someone if they are unsure about their immigration status. They have to have reasonable suspicion to ask you, and part of that analysis can be your race. While you, as US citizens, are not legally required to carry proof of citizenship with you or identification at all times, you're not required to do that legally as a citizen. It is highly advisable that you do, so that if you are stopped and you are briefly detained, we don't know what briefly means, but you're taken to some detention center while they figure out if you're here legally or not. Hopefully you can speed that process up if you have identification on you. Now, I am not quite sure why this information has angered people so much. Or how this is political. What I am giving you is information about what is happening in our community and information about your legal rights and what's legal. This is important and everyone should know it because it's happening right now.